Hey friends! Welcome back to Danica's Daily Vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bullet journal page. The items that you will need to do this are markers or drawing tools of some kind, a measuring tool, and some paper. So let's get into it! To start off, I decided to make the title. I first made my measurements out and decided to do a bold text with a color strip in the middle and then cursive over the top. I then added some decorations and decided to do a weekly spread, so I laid out 7 boxes for that, along with putting a note section at the bottom. I filled in all the information that I had during the week, and yeah. Here are some tips and tricks to make this page work. First of all, be okay with good, not perfection. I know we all tend to be perfectionists and everything has to be just perfect, but there's always going to be one thing that bugs you about your pages, and be okay with that. It shows that you're still growing and you're getting better and better every time. Second of all, measure. Using a straight edge or a ruler makes all the difference. Again, obviously there's going to be some little iffy parts, but overall, if you look at it from this, it's there, but you can't really notice because all the other lines are pretty straight. It makes it look so much more organized and just so much more visually appealing. Speaking of visually appealing, color coordinate. It makes your page bright and makes you want to use it more. These pages are not only just fun and pretty, but they are also used in your everyday life. So, for example, green is birthdays for me. Work is navy for me. School is red for me. Notes are orange for me. Blue are just fun notes. Pink are exercise and workout. And purple are chores. Play around with different fonts. It doesn't always have to be cursive or bold letters. Using different fonts is really fun and cool. And I'll show you a few right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to give another reminder that you do not have to be the most craftiest person to put together a nice page. I am not very artistic myself, but I do have some pretty cool pages, and I'm going to show you a few. This one, I like the bold font on top of the cursive. I don't know, it's just, I really like it. And then I also like this page, again, the font, I like the hearts on it. And lastly, I really like this page, white out, mistakes happen. I like the flowers and everything else. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and remember to have a nice summer. Bye guys!